Hello my beautiful gemstones, welcome back to another video here on the Elegantly Banded YouTube channel. Today I am bringing you another bracelet tutorial video. Now if you didn't catch last week's video, I did upload a bracelet making video, but in that video there was no talking, it was just me making the bracelet. So I thought I'd walk you through my process, explain what I'm doing, yada yada, you get the point. So jumping right into it, that clip you saw just a few seconds ago, I did have a charm already made, that little crystal right there wrapped with some wire. I just went ahead and grabbed a jump ring, hooked it on. I can do a whole tutorial on making charms if you are interested, let me know. But here I am with my bead design board. I had all my beads laid out. As you can tell, I scooped out a little too many, but that's okay. If you do not have a bead design board, please get one. It makes it so much easier. This was the bracelet I had for reference while I was laying out all my beads, but this is the string that I use. I'm going ahead and cutting the amount I think I need. I never measure, I just go for it. I'm finding the middle here so that I know I can do my double string method. Then I am going ahead and taking my string and attaching my bead stopper. That way I do not lose any beads during this process. And here's my beading needle. I go ahead and hook those ends right there, just like that. And then I start feeding my beads through. This is super easy, that way you're not fumbling around with the string trying to fit your beads through it. Get a beading needle, it makes it so much easier just to hook those beads right on and slide them down the string. So I do this process all the way until all my beads are gone, of course. But yeah, those are my little tips and tricks right there. Get your bead design board so that you can lay out your beads just the way you want. Get a bead stopper. You will be so thankful you have that. You will not lose beads anymore. They will be right there waiting for you. And get a beading needle. Trust in the beading needle. There's so many different kinds out there, so definitely find what works for you. This was one I just found at my local craft store. Alright, now that I have all my beads on my string, I'm going ahead and removing that beading needle and that bead stopper. And now the fun part, finishing your bracelet. You're going to go ahead and slide one part of that string through that loop. And now you're just going to tighten until that loop is very teeny tiny. Like that. Go ahead and tighten a little bit more. And now you're going to go ahead and do your first knot, second, third, fourth, and fifth. And now we're not done there because now we are going to do a double knot. So I loop over and then I loop under. So don't worry, I'm going to go ahead and run that back for you really quick. Go ahead and grab your string and loop over one time and loop under another time. And you're going to see all those little twists right there, and then you can go ahead and secure that knot. Now, just cut off the remaining part, slide the knot through one of your beads, and there you go. You got a nice little beaded bracelet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a quick one, but I hope I was able to help you out. And yeah, have a good day, guys. Bye.